Inflation is quietly eroding your wealth, and if you're relying on cash alone, you're walking right into the trap. In today's economy, you can't afford to leave your savings sitting in a low-interest savings account or under the mattress. Why? Because inflation doesn't just eat away at your purchasing power over time, it completely undermines the value of your money, leaving you with less than you started with. Now, I know many of you watching are nearing retirement or are already retired, and you've worked hard to accumulate your wealth. But relying on cash, which is becoming less valuable by the day, could be one of the biggest mistakes you make in securing your future. You've probably heard it said that cash is king, but that's not true anymore. In fact, the real value is in smart strategic investments that outpace inflation, and that's where Gold IRAs come in. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and avoiding the pitfalls of inflation, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked below in the description. Thousands of Americans are already turning to Gold IRAs to protect and grow their wealth. If you have 100K plus in your IRA or 401K or even 5 million plus in savings, this free guide will show you exactly why it's the best choice you can make. You owe it to yourself to take a look, especially if you're looking to make your next big move in the next 2 weeks. Now, back to inflation. For decades, inflation has been creeping up slowly, but recently it's been accelerating. The Consumer Price Index shows how much the cost of everyday items is rising: gas, groceries, healthcare, and this affects all of us. If your money isn't growing at a rate that outpaces inflation, you're losing wealth without even realizing it. In fact, the value of the dollar has decreased by over 90% since 1913. That's a scary statistic, but it's one you need to know. Many people try to hedge against inflation by investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. While these can be good options, they come with their own set of risks, especially in volatile markets. Stocks can crash, bonds can lose value, and real estate isn't as liquid as many would like. So, what's the best alternative? Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years, and it's one of the few investments that has consistently held its value through economic crises and inflation. This is why a Gold IRA is so powerful. It allows you to invest in gold in a tax-advantaged retirement account. You get the stability and growth potential of gold without the risk and hassle of owning physical gold yourself. But here's the kicker. You don't have to be an expert to get started. A Gold IRA is a simple, effective way to diversify your wealth. And if you're already concerned about inflation, it's the perfect way to protect yourself. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs because they've realized that cash alone simply can't keep up with rising costs. In fact, if you're still relying on traditional savings, you're not positioning yourself for success in today's financial landscape. So, what should you do next? The best thing you can do right now is educate yourself. If you want to get ahead of inflation and make sure your wealth is protected for the long term, click the link below for your free Gold IRA guide. It's perfect for those who have 100K or more in retirement savings, or even 5M plus in savings, and want to protect what they've built. In conclusion, inflation is a serious threat to your wealth, but the good news is that you don't have to sit back and let it happen. A Gold IRA offers a powerful, reliable way to safeguard your money, outpace inflation, and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. Don't let your hard-earned wealth slip away. Click the link in the description to get started with your free Gold IRA guide now.